Welcome back. This is by no means an exhaustive video on the topic of merging the development branch into your working branch, but I wanted to make a video showing some of what I've come across and how I've resolved it. So far, I've done git merge dev Simone says to merge the development branch into my current working branch. I've also done git status to see what I'll need to deal with. One of the things you'll see throughout this video is the use of the ours and theirs terms. Git checkout is going to get us the file, the most recent saved file. When I use ours, it's my current working branch. When I use theirs, it's the branch that I'm merging into ours. You'll see two other commands primarily, git add and git rm, or git rm minus r. You may notice that there's no visible change after a git checkout. I've resolved the conflict but not added that change. Git add does this, and afterwards you'll see that it's removed from the remaining conflicts. If I use git add and stop at a folder such as minigame file, it adds everything within that folder. If I use git add, for example, .gitignore, it just adds that file. I use git rm whenever I have files in my branch that I don't need, for example, the saved files that were removed in the other branch. Git rm minus r does that recursively, meaning I get rid of all the files in that directory or folder and all subfolders and their files. Most of the conflicts you see are from my project not being set up completely. Intermediate and saved and build files will not be included. You see deleted by them because I've cleaned up the other branch but not mine. The gitignore is a file that I've updated on mine, and so I keep mine. Configuration files likely don't need to be tracked. When you do a git merge, you're likely to come across many conflicts that need to be resolved before the merge can complete. Just before this video, I did another git merge. I ran into the conflicts and looked them over, and I don't show it, but I did git merge -- abort. This will cancel anything that you've done during the current attempted merge and bring it back to where you were before. Something I don't do in this git merge is go into the files. We'll primarily be addressing changes within the content folder. Since we can't open up the USX and see the changes to each file, an updated copy of core blueprints will be kept at blueprintue.com, and members will need to communicate anticipated changes and then document those changes for pull requests. This will allow code reviewers to easily compare the stable version with the proposed changes. You'll see that though I've gotten rid of all conflicts, I'm still in the process of merging. Creating a commit with a good comment. We'll finish this merge, at which point I'll be ready to push those changes to my branch. I finished with the final command, git merge dev, that I used at the beginning to check that everything is complete.